Okay, I'm gonna repair some screw holes that have been stripped out in a friend of mine's RV. This product is called Quick Patch. Already opened the package. Bought a large quantity, so I asked him about not labeling them because I didn't need it. So it saved time getting here. So here's the product. I cut it into a square. I pulled the end off, which is interesting. So it lets you see the polyester fibers in there that add the strength, just like carbon fiber. But you can just trim it up with some scissors that give it a haircut. And on one side it has a sticker, and it's very, very sticky, which is extreme benefit when you're trying to apply fiberglass to any surface. This will stick on any surface. Here, take the back off here. You'll have to do that also. Okay, let's take a little trip to where the repair needs to be made. Okay, the blinds right here, you can see that somebody's decided to just, yeah. Well, that's not gonna work, and this quick patch will patch these holes right here. And also, I'm going a long way and add some real adjustment. Here we go. Let's see. There we go. And it's just as simple as that. I know. Push it on with your finger, you know, like you want it to stay, because this is, it's called Quick Patch, but it's a permanent repair. If they wanted me to, I could sand this down and spray it the color, but this is just to be done so the blinds don't shoot up in the middle of the night and scare the heebie-jeebies out of you, you know? So it is a UV cured product, and I'll give you all the information at the end of the video. So if you're working inside and you're not getting too much light, it could take, you know, a little bit more than 5 minutes to cure up. But plus, they also include these little flashlights right here. So if you want to speed the process up and, you know, you're not inundated with a bunch of repairs. So, you know, sometimes, you know, a 10-minute curing time on something gives you 10 minutes on someone else's vehicle. So, but you may really want to get this customer out the door. So we have much larger lights. These are just some very tiny ones. I thought it was going to be cool for the video, you know? So let's try and check it out. Excellent. Starting to harden up. Perfect. If we were out in the sunlight, this would be cured in 2 seconds. You know what? Let's see if we can get some skylight action in here to bring some sunlight in here. Brought sunlight. It does seem much brighter, but you know what that is. Almost. So you could imagine if you had to mix up fiberglass, you know, it's a mess. And you know, to do such a small repair right here, and when you want to do something, you know, quickly and offer a service that, you know, you decide the price on, but you can make it such a fair price that, you know, everybody's happy, and that's always great. And yeah, you'll notice these windows, they come loose this way, and you know, just from traveling the road, you know. So you see how hard it is now. Oh, it's getting hard. This video is only 4 minutes long so far. I was gonna stop it and then, you know, screw the thing in there, but you know, if you know, we're really not in light. It seems like we are, but we are not in sunlight. It's a very small skylight, and this light was, I mean, just to give an example, we would send demos out and there'd be little slivers, and the guys would, you know, harden them up with this, you know, playing around at their desk. It's a good demo, you know, but this is not, you know. But I mean, I didn't think it was gonna be intended for this, but I mean, there's a possibility that yeah, who knows? In the next boxes, you guys might actually receive these or a few watt higher power. You know, so it's awesome. Glad I decided to put this little video on YouTube. You know, because I mean, it's really easy. I mean, you know, and if you live in the RV life and you're out there and you can make a quick repair like this so that it doesn't damage the blinds, because they do get damaged. There's a few ends here I'm not going to show on this that, you know, did get damaged from it, and they will get repaired. We'll put new blind material in there, but you don't want to have to repair stuff like that if you don't have to. Man, I'm just really smashing my nail and I'm barely getting it. I love this stuff. And yeah, it looks a little, you know, a little bit thick here or there, but if someone wanted, you know, as the repair, I can paint this and sand it down just like, you know, they use Bondo and all that other stuff in all automotive. But this is more of like a carbon fiber. So I mean, Bondo was great at the time. It really was, you know, but it wasn't as strong as carbon fiber, that's for sure. And this is stronger. I'm pretty sure this is cured. But I'm gonna try to hold this steady so you guys can watch it. Here's this. Oh, sorry guys. So I'm trying to do this one-handed, and yeah, obviously I am a mechanic of sorts. I am not a videographer, so please bear with me. I promise you that the more random videos I make like this, the better they'll be. Let's see if I can balance this right. Hold on, let's just one second. Hey, man. No, this is just me making a video. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, you're gonna get sick now. All this motion sickness just to show you a repair. Boy, I don't even know if you can see it. I'm so sorry. Here we go. Let's see if I can lower it down. Boy, oh boy. Let me do this with the other hand. There we go. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to hold this with the wrist that I'm screwing, and I'm pushing this all the way in so that I can get a new strong mounting point, you know? And, let's work together, not against each other. Yeah, you just saw me put this up here. Now flimsy was trying to, wow, it's so hard I cannot get the screw through. Oh, I think it wants me to drill a freaking a pilot hole. It is that strong. Wow, I have not used. Wow, that wants me to. Maybe if I got it, you know what? I got it's much larger than I need, but this will give me that pilot hole. Wow. I hope you can still see this. I mean, look at that. And I was putting all my weight into it. I know, this will go right through the side. Thank you guys. This is giving me the pilot hole that I need. Wow. I'm so surprised. And I put all that weight. YouTube Academy Awards. Here we are. Can you still see it? I hope so. Okay, I made a pilot hole because it's just, the product is just too strong to screw that rod of a screw directly into it without a pilot hole, which is one of the points I'm trying to prove about the strength of this product, the ease of this product, and how quickly a repair can be made with this product. I mean, I'm afraid I'm going to screw it in there too tight. I mean, so I will have a link in the description. You can sand all this down if you want it, you can paint it, or you can leave it. You know? Thanks for your time, guys.